Hello, this is a review of the 10X Commission Machine, along with some bonuses and a review, inside look of what this software looks like from the inside and what it can do for you. My name is George Pauly, and welcome, and let's make some money. So this is the sales page here, which you're probably familiar with here of 10X Commission Machine. And there's a video here, kind of goes, or doesn't really tell you a lot about how this works or what it actually is. It's just kind of mostly results based. And that's what I found with this this whole landing page here in the sales funnel, or the sales page, is just did not really give me a fuzzy feeling about what this whole thing was and how it worked. But after I got into it, then I learned what this thing was all about. Because here, just get it, follow the steps, and then watch. I mean, what is it just didn't tell much. So, but what we're going to get into that in a little bit. But now I promised you guys some bonuses that will help you with this 10x commission machine. And this 10x commission machine's really kind of simple. So here's George's, this is my custom insane bonus bundle. So what you're gonna see here, it's gonna end here in a couple days, which I think is going to be on Monday or something like that. What's this 10x commission machine all about? That's kind of the question that I had. And it's a simple step-by-step blueprint on setting up powerful affiliate campaigns. There's all kinds of affiliate offers out there. And if you don't know what an affiliate offer is, someone else has a product and then you just resell it. It's kind of like Amazon, where Amazon has products, and if you refer people to Amazon, you get an affiliate commission. So there's thousands of products out there, and basically this 10x commission machine will allow you to not only access those affiliate products, which you can get anyways, they're free, but this 10x commission helps you bundle all of those affiliates with bonuses, so it ups the prize. That's what the software here is all about. Now, you get this, the front end, which is the basic here, for $13. There are 4 upgrades. Second one, or the first upgrade, is for $47, and then another one for $47, $67, and $197. And let's look at what all these are. Just to get the thing, it's $13, all right, which is really reasonable. And there's $1,000 plus of bonuses that you're going to get from me, which I'll go over here in a little bit if you like what you see. And to get those bonuses, you'll just kind of click on the link below this video. The first upsell here after the $13 is $47, and it's the Pro. And what you're going to do is get some advanced training. And let me highlight this. Advanced training, where you'll get to know everything from John here, he's the one that put this together, on how all this works here. The second is done for you for an entire year. So you're going to get done for you bonus page accesses for 365 days. The third upsell here is to be able to resell this. So if you want to resell this, just another $67, then you can resell it. Coaching here for 200, and basically 2 to 3 Skype room coaching sessions with John. So this is kind of simple. There is some work, but it's not a lot of work. If you're new, it's newbie friendly. That's good. Profitable, yes, this works. It's been proven, and you can get into this right now, and there is built-in traffic. So these are the custom bonuses from me that you will get if you decide to pick this up. Click the link below this video, and there are a list of bonuses I'm going to go over right now. Vanquish. Vanquish is a software that, again, will help you up your game with this 10x commission machine. And that's worth about almost $500 here, $427, this Vanquish machine. And it's a software machine. It's an exclusive bonus here. Number 2 is about $47, and what you're going to get is Bing traffic hacks. Bing is through Microsoft, you know that, and it's kind of a competitor for Google. It's not quite as big as Google. However, it's easier to get into and it costs you less, and people are starting to use Bing more often. So this is a tutorial and you can kind of be ahead of the curve here. Bonus number 3, $345. This is email marketing. Now, everyone knows that you can make money, or all the money is made in the list. Once you have a list, you can continue marketing them over and over and over. So this here is how to do proper email marketing. Number 4, valued at $267. Now these are all free. Hijacking, launching hijacking. So when people put out new programs and there are new things going out there, hijack it. All these people who are gurus and put all this time and money into building a list, you can hijack their customers as they're searching for things. So this is fantastic. Special bonus, which is all of the vendor bonuses. So of course you get all those too, and easy instant access. When you if you decide to pick this up, look for your email. It will come from Warrior Plus. You need to click on the bottom here to access all the links. Thank you. You can visit my page right there. Now let's go take a look at what the 10x commission machine actually is. All right, so here we're back now. This is the actual 10x machine. If you decide to pick it up, this is what it looks like in the center, in the inside here. So there's 7 modules, and the start here is kind of a welcome video here, what it's all about. Claim your spot for exclusive training, fast action bonuses here, etc., etc. What I want to see here is the main training. So this is where a lot of this meat is for the software, and I didn't go through all of it, but I went through enough of it here on how it works, the website setup, and free websites. So you can get a custom domain and start paying for that, but if you just want to get started for free, there's a whole bunch of website hosting that these pages and everything is done for you. It's just right up there. How to start a YouTube channel, maybe you know, maybe you don't, but that is a tutorial. How to get a Weber account, or they really kind of all offer the same, or they work the same, and it's basically your autoresponder, and that's where you collect your emails. The how to find a page to promote, which is going to be the affiliates. So over here, how to get a free Warrior Plus account or a JVZoo, ClickBank, and Muncheye, and all these different other accounts where you can find stuff to promote. 10x commission machine videos here, the bonus pages, how to get that. Buying solo ads, there's a whole bunch of stuff here. It's kind of straightforward. It's simple. A lot of this information is out there. This is cheap. It's only a few bucks, and he walks you through it pretty simply. So that is the end of the review. If you like to pick this up, it's a decent program. There are some nice trainings and some nice insights on this whole package kind of put together. It's simple. So if you like the bonuses that you get from me here, the different bonuses, then go ahead and click on the link below and send those right over to you. Thanks, guys. Let's go make some money.